What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new vlog. This time we are in Southern California, deep south in Old Town San Diego. We are celebrating Dia De Los Muertos here in Old Town. So let's go see what's all that happening. Man, it is so crowded. It took us a long while to find parking. There's no parking on actual Old Town, so we had to go off sites. And after about 25 minutes, we finally got parking. So now we're walking towards Old Town San Diego right now. So we'll see you there. So I just met this young lady from Mexico and they have their own business. So let me just introduce you to her.
Hi, this is Sara Gutierrez. I'm coming from Hidalgo, Mexico. Tenango and San Bartolo is the name of the towns. We are presenting these embroideries that they are called Otomi embroideries. We design and we created. We have beautiful shoes made of jute, and we represent different cultures of Mexico, like an icons as Frida Kahlo, Alebrijes and Flowers. We have also the Maria dolls. We have also some tablecloths, and also we can do personalized items.
They do have unique embroidery here, so I'm gonna link her page down below and you guys can check her out. So thank you again, Sarah.
Thank you. You can find me in Facebook as Tenengalo, and I have my webpage. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We are finally in Old Town San Diego. It is pretty crowded. Check it out. Crowded, but I'm liking the vibe here. They got like a mini concert going on here in the Grassy Park area. Everyone's having a good time, everyone's dancing, and I like the vibe. It's really good.
So there's marigolds here. I've heard that they use them to attract the souls to come back on the Day of the Dead. So there's a lot of marigolds around. Looks like with people that put names of loved ones maybe that have passed.
So many people here. I kind of like all the people with their face painted different paints, and nothing is alike, so I'm enjoying that. People are having a good time, all families, old and young alike. The kids wanted to veer off to one of the stores here, so let's go check it out, see what they found. What you got, Val? It's pretty crowded, and they shut down the whole all the streets in Old Town San Diego, and they got people running around. They got vendors all over the streets. I've never seen it like this before, so it's kind of cool. They had many vendors selling many different kinds of Mexican food, and of course I got my favorite carne asada burrito. They also had many delicious drinks to choose from, and the kids got their favorite lemonade.
I think this is a cucumber drink.
Cucumber lemonade.
Oh, cucumber lemonade. Very refreshing.
They also had many people selling elotes throughout the streets, which is corn with mayonnaise, grated cheese, chili powder, and or hot sauce like tapatio. For the adults, there was also a designated area just to drink your alcohol. There were many talented entertainers performing in every corner of the streets. Face painting. Many people, young and old, get their face painted as part of the festivity. Face painting has become a tradition to celebrate Dia De Los Muertos. Ofrenda, which means offering in English. It is usually created for an individual person who has died and is intended to welcome them to the altar setting. Alright, it's getting dark. We got some food earlier, and now the kids got some ice cream. We're gonna start heading home because we got a long ways to go, and it looks like there's quite a few people now. It's getting crowded, so we don't want to miss the traffic. I mean, we want to miss the traffic and get out of here. So again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.